Hello everybody! Whew. Let me take the headphones off. Hey everybody! It is I, Island Frank, and I have gone on a journey, a Gandorf journey. This is actually the end of my journey, so we're gonna go backwards. But we are on top here. This is, back here is called Wigmore Falls. I don't know the elevation. I'm not even gonna try to make it up because I'm too tired, but Eileen and Katie are back at the bungalow. I'm gonna do a sweeping panorama here, but if you hear closely, this is a small waterfall here on the island, but there is not much water because it's the summertime. But behind me is Wigmore Falls. I'll point you with my Gandorf stick in case any bands of wild roaming dingoes attack me. But you can hear it. You just can't see it because it's not running very well. Maybe they forgot to pay their water bill. But I hiked up here to see if it was accessible for Katie, and it appears to be. It's very lush and it's very green up here. It took me about maybe like 20 minutes, half an hour at most, just to walk up. It says Tsunami Trail on there, and I guess this is about as high as you're gonna get getting up here. But there's like a little picnic area and what have you up here. And then we will start our trek down. I hear water running, but this is as far as I think we can go as far as the falls go. So I'm not really quite sure. And that's about it. It's the end of the trail, so I am going to, I guess, film it coming up, and then we'll splice these together using some of our video magic. All right, so I have made it. I have completed my quest top of Wigmore Falls. Oh, and there's the car. They did it much easier than I did. They just drove up here. Alrighty, let's see. You can see there's a car driving up here to Wigmore Falls. And I think the car is going to be leaving now. But that is it here at Wigmore Falls. I will be descending Wigmore Falls in a second here. Alrighty, bye. Good day, everyone.
Oh, good day.
Good day, Katie. So where are we going to today, ladies?
We're behind you. We already went kayaking this morning, and I went snorkeling and kayaking, and we're going to go to Wigmore's to get some lettuce to make salads for today and tonight, and then later we're going to go into town.
Oh, okay. All right, and Katie wanted me to point something out over here.
Right there. See, it's a little chickie.
See, there's the hen.
Yeah.
And her little chick. And there's a rooster somewhere over here too. I saw him with them, right?
Yeah, he's right behind the tree.
Alright, so... And this is our little patio area right here. Oh, there's the rooster. And there's the hen. So they're all over the place here. And like I said, this is our little patio area. Hello, patio area. It's a little messy. And this is our clothesline where we put all of our swim stuff. And we'll go out this way. And... we can go. And like I said, over here's the pool area and more garden bungalows. And here's reception. Come on, Boo. And the grounds are pretty nicely done. And as you know from our previous videos, there's the road that the chicken crosses. And we're gonna walk all the way now to this
To Wigmore's.
Wigmore's. And what is Wigmore's again?
It's a little grocery store.
Little grocery store, okay. And this is where we come every morning for breakfast. You go back there, and I'm sure we'll do a remote from there eventually. It's closed right now, but that area back there, and this is the restaurant over here. It's the yellow hibiscus?
Yeah.
And over here is our, again, the road, you cross it, the beach bungalows, and as you know, the beach is over there. And I won't film the whole thing, obviously, but that's where we wait for the bus. And we're just gonna go down this road here, Lee?
Yeah, it's a Wigmore.
And much as in Australia and New Zealand, they drive as the British do.
On the left side.
On the left side. And here comes somebody on a little motorcycle. Going here. More tourists. And her ice cream is melting. Did you see that, Lean? Honey, you can't do that. And over there is, I don't know what that peak, but one step over here. And there's a big dog. And we'll go ahead and cut here. But as you can see, and that's back to where we came from over that ways. And the ocean is just right over there. And this is some public access out to the beach over there. Let's see if our little zoom works there. And there you go. There is the beach. Okay, well, after walking for about, what, 8 miles? Or maybe about, what, 5 minutes?
Yeah.
This is Wigmore's Superstar. And we went into Wigmore's. Everything's so close by and easily accessible. And so here's Eileen and Katie got her ice cream, right, Katie? And right behind us is the Moana Sands beachfront villas. And this is what we came over here, was to see the Pearl place, but it's closed. So we will be walking back, and we'll come back because the lady said it's usually open at 9. Alright, so we're heading on back. Watch your step there, Katie.
You need help?
I got it. Thank you. As we say goodbye to Wigmore's. And see, notice the cars are on the other side of this road. There's another one, watch out, Ling. And then we're gonna go back down the road that ways. And that's what it's called. The Cora Pearls. Bye.
Let's see what it looks like. Can I come around toward you? Oh, that looks cool. Can I touch it?
Yeah, it feels hard if you want to touch it.
It's interesting, isn't it? Well, this doesn't feel so hard. This feels a little mushy. Mushy. I wonder what makes it blue.
I don't know, but it's a beautiful. I don't know if it can, if the camera can catch how blue it is.
Yeah, I
Can you
can.
take a picture of Daddy with it?
I'm
You can
videotaping.
make like earrings out of it.
I'm videotaping it.
Can you
Or
take
if
a picture?
If you're a sheriff, you could like wear your sheriff star. Here, Link, come over. Let me see. We'll put it in your hair. I won't. But look, you could put it in Mommy's
Carson,
hair.
come here.
You want to put it in Mommy's hair like that? And you could just look. Oh, beauty us, right?
That's a cool house with the trees.
Okay, I'm gonna put him back because I don't know if I'm hurting him or not.
Oh, you poor starfishy.
There we go. He's happy. Did the fish get you? Watch out, Katie, because there's cobra.
Oh, yeah, I think it is.
Yeah, we're recording.
Okay.
Alright. Yeah, here's what I'm gonna attempt again. It failed miserably last time. I'm gonna try to make a paddle,
Boat.
yeah.
Paddleboard, sorry.
Yeah, I'm gonna pretend like I'm punting on the Thames down back in jolly old England, okay? So wish me luck on this one.
Good luck.
It didn't work last time, but the camera wasn't running, so we can pretend this is the first time. All right. I'm punting on the Thames.
Carson, want to go in the water with me?